How to make content for YouTube without going in front of the camera. If you're successful, YouTube can be a very profitable and satisfying platform. There is nothing any other internet business strategy can match in terms of feedback from thousands of visitors and direct communication with your audience. Still, it's one of the less well-known strategies for making money online that isn't often discussed in forums for marketing in similar topics. How come that is so? The basic explanation is that many people are uncomfortable being in front of the camera. Their heavy accent could be the reason for this. They may not be conventionally attractive, however some YouTubers haven't let that stop them. Or perhaps it's just that they're bashful. Furthermore, the notoriously critical comments on YouTube don't help at all. In any event, appearing in front of the camera and having thousands of people watch you is a big ask. And not everyone will be prepared to take it on. The good news is that you may start a successful YouTube channel without ever appearing in front of the camera. You can produce many different kinds of content without having to feature at all. Furthermore, these can assist you in reaching a similarly large audience because they are frequently really well liked. Here are some examples. Tutorials. Making tutorial films that walk viewers through different tech solutions is one method to gain a large following without being on camera. This might be a tutorial video for Photoshop or a film demonstrating how users can optimize their PC's performance. In any case, you can easily make the video by utilizing screen capture software and adding narration on top of it. Gaming. You can create a lot of stuff linked to gaming without having to appear in front of the camera. In a Let's Play video, for instance, you narrate the experience while speaking over the top of your own playing. You may create playthroughs, walkthroughs, and more in the interim without ever having to face the camera. Podcast. You can create a lot of podcast-style videos as well, where you don't even have to be on screen. These videos are essentially just spoken. These can be opinion pieces, comedic segments, interviews, and more. All you need to do to keep people interested is include an image that is pertinent to the subject matter. Animations. You can easily create an animation to keep your audience's interest while you speak if you want something more lively. From storyboard animations to whiteboard animations, you have a plethora of options here. And there are numerous tools available to assist you in creating them. Montage/mashup. Using a montage/mashup technique, you can also produce a lot of videos. This could imply that you create your own supercuts or that you combine clips from different videos. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.